Science for Kids. In the previous video, we talked about how does snow form, why are we having snow, and types of snow. In this video, we're going to talk about why does snow melt faster on concrete, what are the shapes of snow, and types of snowfall. Do you know what shape a snowflake is? Well, you might be guessing all the shapes combined, but it's only one shape. Let's see how many sides a snowflake has. Guess. If you guessed 1, no. 2, not that either. 3, almost there. 4, you're a little bit closer. 5, you're very, very close. 6, that's it. So there's 6 sides on a snowflake. Is it a hexagon or an octagon? Wait, hexa means 6 and octa means 8, which means a hexagon is the shape of a snowflake. These are the snowflake photos we took in our backyard. Notice they all have 6 sides. When water freezes, water molecules stick together to always form a hexagon shape. When more molecules are added, they form branches on each 6 sides. If you look in a really good microscope, you might see those big sides. And right next to them, there's small sides. Those small sides are the branches. Not all snowflakes are alike. It takes 100,000 water molecules to form one snowflake. But they will all be in a hexagon shape, even though they look different. Why does snow melt faster in concrete? Well, when the ground temperature is below freezing point, the snow reaches the ground. Concrete has high density. Density means weight. If you want to learn more about density, please go check out my density tower experiment. And if you haven't checked out the part 1, please go check out part 1 too. They're in the description. High density means high conductive capacity. Concrete has higher thermal capacity. And then types of snowfall. Every winter, we have all these types of snowfall. The first one, blizzard, then blowing snow, and then winter storm, snow squall, and the last one, snow flurry. 2 or more severe and dangerous winter weather conditions combined is called a winter storm. Blizzard. This is a violent storm lasting at least 3 hours, combined with sub-freezing temperatures and very strong winds. Snow flurry is a snow that falls for a short time. Snow squall. This is an intense snowfall, reduces visibility, and comes with strong winds. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Science for Kids. Thank you, and Nandri.